Should I worry about getting acupuncture? It's natural for a person to worry about something that they are not informed about. One thing that many people are nervous over is their first acupuncture treatment, especially if they have preconceived ideas about the practice that are inaccurate. Let's talk a little bit about acupuncture, where it came from and what you can expect from your visit to the acupuncturist. Acupuncture is actually an ancient Chinese medical treatment in which small needles are inserted into specific areas of the body in order to promote a flow of energy throughout our body. This energy, known as qi, is important to keep balanced in order to maintain proper health. By manipulating the flow of qi in our system, we are helping ourselves to maintain this balance and to enjoy the overall health benefits that come as a result. The insertion of the needles is relatively painless and is typically totally painless. Many people experience either an exhilaration or relaxation whenever the needles are inserted. They are so thin, much thinner than the typical needles that you see at the doctor's office, that they don't cause the pain that is typically associated with doctors and needles. Once inserted in the body, they may be manipulated in one way or another, or perhaps even heated in order to help with the flow of energy. Your first visit to the acupuncturist may not actually include any needles at all. Your doctor will want to take the time to get to know you and to understand your particular circumstances so that he can treat you in the proper way. It will also give you the opportunity to ask any questions that you may have on your mind, most of which I'm sure that he has heard and can answer quite easily. Acupuncture is used for dozens of different problems that people are experiencing, from flatulence to severe pain management. Anything that has to do with the natural flow of energy in our body and our overall natural health can be maintained or enhanced through the use of acupuncture. Although it is not a total treatment unto itself, as many acupuncturists will actually also put you on a health regime, it can help individuals in many cases to overcome problems that medical science is unable to handle. So don't be nervous about your trip to the acupuncturist, be optimistic.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.